Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by again. Before you continue watching this video and before you go off and say, oh, I don't like her face, I don't watch this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to click on my the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I have a new video. The reason why you should do that is you might not like this video, but the next video I might be uploading, I will be uploading, you might like that one, so you don't want to miss out. And I always I want to incorporate giveaways in my channel, on my channel and on my pages, so you don't want to miss out on that. Also, thank you so much. If you haven't watched so this video is actually an unboxing video for a specific brand. If you haven't watched the unboxing video for the whole brand, like I got like some PR packages and some items that I personally bought myself, and I really wanted to show you guys, so I have a video already up. If you haven't watched that, check the description box, you're gonna see a link to that one. I also have filmed a review video and swatch video for the product that I got from the package that I got from Voan Beauty. This particular video is featuring the EWARONKEPRO products. She also launched like some new pigment reflectors, if I might add, and they're really cute. So if you want to find out what is inside this cute package, then definitely keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, hit that subscribe button. It's not hard, you know, like it's not hard, it's so simple. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Starting off, I got some liners. This is a liquid pen liner in Cleopatra. It's called I Line Her, and the tip is like this. It's really nice. That's what I used on my upper lash line. She also gave me the eye tech gel liner in Cleopatra. This is like a kaja for your waterline. And then the brow pencil, it's called Brow Effect, Ewaronke Brow Effect pencil. It's a retractable eyebrow pencil. Can you see? Okay, so that's our lip pencils. Now for lipstick, I'm going to be starting off with this clear one. It came in a black pack, which I really like, and it's called Stripped. It's a really pretty gloss. It's a clear gloss in summary. Also, she gave me her new products, which are these Duo Reflectors. Duo Reflectors. This is Twinkle. This is what Twinkle looks like. This is Gleam. The second one is Gleam. This is Sparkle. The third one is Sparkle. And this is Glister. Glister right here. So as I said, you need to be very careful with them because they seem to be pouring, so you need to keep them sitting like this on your table or anywhere you want to keep it, because everywhere is just glitter, like reflectors rather, even my tie. Anyways, and it's called Duo Reflectors because they reflect two colors, and as you can see, like this it's one color, like if I'm moving you see like other colors as well. Okay, now that we're done with the clear gloss, now let's do with Caramel. This is what Caramel looks like. And this is what Caramel looks like. It's a dark red, and when it dries matte, it gives you such a gorgeous dark red. So this is it still being wet. Burning Love. Burning Love is a very bright red color. I think this is my favorite, like blood red. And this is what Burning Love looks like. The next shade she sent me is Adore. Adore is a pink color, I think. Let's open it. Oh yeah, it's a pink color, just like the Van Beauty Rich Brow. So only that this is a bit dark. It dries to a dark pink. How women of color friendly they are. So this is what Adore looks like. This is how it looks like when wet. Of course, I'm gonna leave it to dry. This is rose brown. It's a nude color. And this is what rose brown looks like. The next shade is Glided. Glided is a metallic gold lipstick. Jesus, my back hurts. Is Punk number 06, and this is a dark purple lipstick. I really like this one. And yeah, this is what Punk looks like. It's a very dark vampy purple color.